So in this video, we're going to have a look at how we can manage some of the formatting options in OneNote for Windows 10. We got a little activity here for you to practice a few times. I'm going to do this very first one with you. So what we want to do is we want to change the way the font looks. We want to change its size, whether it's bold, italic, underline, or strike through. So let's start off with the very first one. So I want to change this font to Comic Sans. It's not currently Comic Sans, it's actually to Homer. So up here, as long as we're in this Home tab, we can see that it's got the font type. Now, the easiest way to do this is to click on it and then start typing in what you want to change it to. So I'm going to write Comic Sans, hit enter, and you'll notice that that font has slightly changed. It looks a little bit different. We then want to do the size. So it says here, let's change the size to 18. Size is right next to it, so 14's there. You can choose to scroll down and find the size, but if you know what you want, you can also just backspace, change the 4 to an 8, and then we've got 18 there. We want to turn on bold, so this is bold here to bold our text, italics as well, and we want to also underline it. Now, I want you to have a go at the remaining three. The only one that we haven't covered is the strike through. So when you get to doing the strike through, we click here on this button, and then you'll notice that there'll be this option here to put in the strike through.